Welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video we are going to be making this Bible bag. Yes, this is a Bible, guys, 2-in-1 Bible bag that we are going to be making in today's video. You are welcome. If this is your first time of seeing my channel, my name is Alice Elijah and you are welcome to Edo Bag Maker Alice K. This is the Bible bag that we are going to be making today. So if this is what you are interested in, I want you to stay tuned to the end. So this is what we are going to be making, and look at some of our work. We make all these bags, we sell in wholesale. If you want us to make for you, just reach out to us and we'll make for you. Welcome, this is Edo Bag Maker Alice K. Please subscribe. If you are just new to this channel, if you are not yet subscribed, please subscribe. This is the measurements that we are going to be needing for the bag. These are the measurements that we are going to be using. This is the main body. It's 10.5 inches by 7. Zipper, that is our zipper. We need 2 of it. So you check the measurements to know all the measurement that you'll be needing. You can actually make any size, but this is the size I'm making today. You can make it bigger than this, depends on your Bible. One thing that you should do is make sure you measure the Bible that you are making for. Have a measurement, have a pattern of the size. All Bible are not the same size. So as you can see now, I'm showing you how to sew the handle. The handle is 25 inches long. So I'm showing you how to sew it. You sew it down like this, the same way I sew it. That is how you will sew it. If you want it to be like this, then that is the inside pocket. This one is the inside pocket where the edge of the cover of the Bible will enter. That is, and you will need 2 of that. You will need 2 of that. You can do 5 inches wide by the length of the Bible. You can do 6 inches wide by the length of the Bible. You just determine how wide you want it to be. So you sew it down that way. This is how you sew it. After sewing it down, you sew it on the divider. You sew one on the divider. You sew the second on the main body of the Bible bag. So that is what I just did. I just sew it like that. So you sew it down and the inside pocket. After you finish sewing, you sew the other one on the Bible cover, the main piece. Then the next thing is you now sew. When you finish fixing your handle, you will sew your zipper and your base. You sew your zipper and your base. So the first one, zipper is longer. We have 2 zipper. One is longer, one is shorter. So I'm working on the long one now. This space that have the longer zip, that the zip go around the body, is where you will put the Bible bag. That is where you put the Bible bag. You join the base to it at the back. This is the Bible bag space. This is the space. Know that this Bible bag is 2-in-1. It's 2-in-1 Bible bag. So this space is the Bible bag space, where you have the Bible bag where you will put it. So you sew it as you see me do it. You join the base to the zipper and then you sew it round. You keep sewing it until you are done sewing it. Just the same way you see me sew it. It's not difficult. You can use any Bible size. This is actually a little big Bible. It's not too big, just a medium size. Yes, I'm done sewing it. Can you see it? I'm done sewing it. So the next thing to do is to also sew the second piece like that. Know that it's 2-in-1 Bible bag. So we are making the second pocket now. The second pocket is where we have your jotter. It's where you will have your jotter. So you sew it the same way you sew the first one. But this one, the zipper is short. The zipper is short. The zipper is not as long as the other one. It's the side that is a pocket where you can put your jotter, your pen, and every other thing that you want to put apart from the Bible. So you sew it around like that. Can you see? I'm done sewing it. I'm done sewing it. So the next thing to do now, after you are done sewing it, is to now join it. This is the side of the Bible. There's a side that has the longer zip, and that is the side, the second side. This side is the one that you put your jotter. Can you see it? That is what I'm explaining there. So it's the one that put your jotter. So the zipper is not supposed to be as long as the other zipper. So after you are done sewing it, the next thing to do, you will notch both sides. You notch the center to center. Yes, notch the center of the zip, trace it down to the down gusset, and notch the center, so that the two will enter inside each other and be balanced. It is time to sew it. Can you see it? So you sew it like that. Sew it round the same way I show you. You sew it round. So after you are done sewing it, we now put the divider. There's a one that is a divider. You know that when you sew it like this, though it's two zip, but you needed a divider to separate both pockets, so that you can now form two pockets. So it's just one space now, but two zipper. So you bring it in like this. See the way I'm arranging it. You sew the divider on the other side. That is the jotter side, the side that have the shorter zipper. You sew the divider on it. So you see, you take it in like this, then take the divider, and then you bring the notch to notch. See that I notch it, you sew it, notch the other side too. You bring it together like this. You sew it at the edge of the zip on the other side, and you sew it round. You sew it round. So that is what I'm doing now. Pocket. If you don't put this divider, you will not have that two in one pocket. So it's the divider that forms the pocket. Can you see it? It's the divider that forms the pocket. I have two separate pockets. So I'm done sewing it. So when you are done, you open it up. Can you see now? We are done sewing it. Can you see? So this is our Bible bag. It's ready. So you can make any size of your choice. You can make a smaller size, you can make a bigger size. Just take measurement of your Bible. Thank you for watching. If you are here to subscribe, please subscribe now. Click the notification bell so that you get notified whenever I upload a new video. That is it. You see now, is it not beautiful? Subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching. Bye. See you in my next video. Bye.